No, I didn't. 12 o'clock. I set the clock, not the timer! Alright, we fix this. Now. And that's how it's done.
False alarm, right? It's quiet, too quiet, you're bluffing. Okay, we open on 3. 1, 2... False alarm, my foot!
11 seconds left. 10 seconds can't be that long, right? What if it explodes? It takes the whole kitchen with it. I could just open it. But what if the universe needs those extra seconds? The balance of everything could hinge on this pasta. Stay calm. 5 seconds. 4, 3, almost there. Don't blow it. Victory. Worth every second.
Yes! Let's go! Added time champion!